What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you this vintage Univox amp. This is a tube amp from the late 60s. Its model number was either U1235 or 1236 depending where you find it and how it was sold. It's kind of like a Bassman with a few mods, as so many amps are. So 2 6L6s in the power section, 3 12AU7s in the preamp section, and a couple little switches and a bass and treble EQ. With its matching cab, which is a sealed 115, it has a very vintage bass amp kind of tone. Because there's an aluminum cone on the speaker, it's also quite a bright guitar amp. So kind of a fun old thing to play with. I got this broken and give it a recap, a couple fresh tubes, and it works pretty well now. It's cool. So let's have a listen. Put on the deep switch. Just for a second, let's crank it a little bit.